So job 3 and job 4 are one next to each other. They both sharing the same postcode. So this is done. Everything is on the pallet. So we got 1.3 miles until we reach next destination. The weather is a little bit better now. It's getting there. All we need to do is just to be patient, and then everything will be sorted somehow. It's a little bit tighter to take, so I'll take from both lanes. One second. Doesn't let me to go, mate. I can't take the bend. Can't take the bend. This is turning left. It's fucking ridiculous. Thank you. Cheers. The lorry is too long, so if I didn't take from the both lanes, I couldn't take the exit. I couldn't go out. So this is how I done it. So everyone is happy. Next job 4 minutes away. See you in a bit, guys. Hi, okay. I think it's just a pallet, mate. Just one. To the back door. Okay. Hop. No, it's not this one, it's the one behind. Because I got two deliveries with the same postcode, but it's another customer. Just to double check. It's this pallet. I found it now. Pallet is fucked up. Come on. Can you reach? Thank you. Just need your signature. Just your name and your signature in this box, please.
Yep.
Thank you. Just gonna park here. Proline Engineering. Come on. Proline Engineering, Shield Drive. Direction 2 minutes from here. Why the...
Head east.
Let's see, maybe I can find this time with Google Maps. Because the postcode, if you bring it, bring you here. If you put, it will bring you here.
Turn right, then turn left.
Keep doing jobs, keep doing
Turn
jobs.
left, then turn right.
Park the trailer there, excellent. Excellent, man. Cars as well.
Turn right to stay on Shield Drive, then your destination will be on the left.
Where? Right here? There. There. That's why I cannot find it, because it's on a different road. Where is my... It might be here. Ready store, everyone. Powder coating.
Your destination is on the left.
Where? Proline Engineering, here. I just need to go around. So fucking the park is here. Just have to see if I park here or I go around. I honestly don't know where to go. It's just no instructions, no visitors. This is the car park, man. Reception. This is not the right place. You see me reversing, where you keep going? Good zins. Thank you. I should have reversed all the way. Doesn't matter. It's just as long as I put the lorry here, I go and I take. Move this. Raime, I've got a pallet for you. Proline Engineering.
Yeah.
Or actually it says, one second, because I'm confused. It might be a collection actually. So it says delivery address, commence collection, premium delivery, collection start.
Are you collecting or are you delivering?
Not sure, man. I have to double check because it's my first time working with this company, so I don't know. Yeah. Yes. Proline Engineering. So is that pallet there? One. Pallet's one. Yeah, it's a small pallet, it's behind. Mate, have you ever heard of this company? Because I've been trying to deliver. It's called Centrado picking. Up north memorabilia Centrado, something like this. Have you heard? No. I've been looking for them 1 hour, cannot find.
Let's have a look at the label then. Let's have a look at the address.
Yeah. But I've tried to call them, they don't answer. Yeah. Basically it's this pallet here.
Somewhere on this industrial.
Yeah, it's so big, yeah.
Yeah, no. Don't know where they're.
Yeah, no problem.
This is Wardley industrial.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Never heard of them.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Heavy. So thanks, mate. Just to sign if you don't mind. Just on here, mate. Name and signature. Thank you. Is anything to collect as well? Because they said their collection as well. That's why I was.
There's a collection as well.
It's just saying like
I'll have to go and check in the office. I don't know.
comments, collection premium, delivery premium, collection start time. If you can ask them to see if there's anything, yeah?
Yeah, I'll just go and check now.
No problem, thank you so much. You see, if I would have delivered those 2 pallets, it would have been much easier. But if I cannot find a place, they just drive me nuts. Come on. Just need to open the curtain to take that shit. Okay. Yeah, no collection, no problem. Thank you so much, mate. Thank you.